Being the engineering manager for De Morgan plc, I manage the fleet of machine-controlled plant. I mentor and bring on training engineers. I am first-line support for our engineers on every project we have. Since joining De Morgan in 2012, they had 2 GPS-operated items of plant, and since then we're up to now 30. I believe I've spearheaded the need and the want and the must for having the GPS machine control, as well as up-to-date surveying equipment as well across the board. Coming from school, I knew exactly what I wanted to do, following in my dad's footsteps in the construction industry. It's been a roller coaster ride, which has been fun through being an engineer, site manager, project manager, and to now be engineering manager for the whole company is pretty good feeling really.
So I'm Graham Fisher and I'm a deck officer of the watch with TK Gas, and a couple of months ago I also decided to set up the Shipping Exchange, which is a brand new maritime podcast, and we discuss the latest developments, bring together experts, and we just talk about what's going on. Things like mental health, things like gender balance, training and opportunities. There's a lot in the industry which has a real impact on seafarers and also people ashore, but we're not talking about it as much as we should do. I think the proudest moment for me was when I received the first message of feedback to say, I listened to your show and it had a really positive impact on me. People who can relate to it directly, who come to me and say, you hit the nail on the head, that's, to me, is like just completely incredible. It makes me so happy to receive that. And now we've got 9 episodes, 4 have been released, and it's reached over 1,000 people, and people are talking about it, and it's making a positive impact. It's really something when you look at where we came from.
So as an environmental consultant, I'm responsible for working on and managing medium to large scale environmental impact assessments. So since I started at the company, I've been very determined to make a name for myself, and I wanted to build relationships and build the skills that I've gained over my career to date. I'm also very passionate about trying to help the graduates coming through, and at the minute I'm chairperson on our Young Royal Haskoning Committee, which is an initiative that's set up to help networking, just to help people as I was helped when I first started with the company. So I'm extremely determined and hardworking. I always put in 120%, and I like encouraging development in others as well, and I think that's something that's really coming through now in the team that I work in, but also on the committee as the chairperson.